How's it going, guys? Before I go and get started, let me say this. New Anime Informer channel is going to be strictly for anime. This channel is going to be strictly for discussions. So go ahead and subscribe to the New Anime Informer channel and go ahead and watch the video and enjoy it. So, what we're going to talk about today, guys, is how does society view us as anime fans, as gamers, as TV watchers, and as people who just are different in general. Most people who I come in contact with, they say that if I'm in any of those areas, I'm a nerd, geek, or I have no life. And I think that that's kind of is kind of ignorant in a sense. Like you're saying that you people, you normal people, I guess you could say, are telling us that we're geeks and we're this and that for watching certain stuff that we love. I don't understand that. As we're into probably the same stuff that, those normal people are into. Well, not normal people, but those people are into as well, too. Like, me, I'm into everything. I'm into battle rap. I love battle rap, I love watching anime. I love going to conventions. I love going to concerts. I love playing video games. So I'm an all-around cool person, but I'm still put in that category as a geek or a nerd or this and that. You probably hang out with all those nerd guys. And I don't understand why people say that. Like, why do they call us nerds? Like, why do they call us, this and that? Like, why do we have labels for each type of, for things that we're into? Why can't we just be, all around cool person? Like, why do we have to be labeled in a certain category? Like, and since that's the problem in society. Like, once you're put into this category, like, people automatically judge you just off of that. Like, if you play video games and you watch anime, you're a nerd, and certain people will associate with you because of that label that you're with. Like, oh, those are the nerd kids, or oh, those are the gothic kids, or oh, those are the comic book nerds, or oh, those are the anime nerds. It's like, we're put into these labels, and once we're put into those labels, people don't want to hang out with us, or they want to judge us. Like, you don't think that there's anime fans who are into like rock stuff or into rap, they're into that different stuff, but you just gotta give them a chance to know us. And see, that's the problem with society. That society is so quick to judge us and put us into a certain type of category. And even with like even with like blacks, like me as being an African American or black, they want to put me like automatically like. I'm not saying all people are like this, but when I meet them, they'll say, oh, are you into rap? Like, I mean, come on, like, just because I'm black doesn't mean that I'm into hip-hop or rap or stuff like that. I cannot like it at all. But just because you meet me and I'm black, the first thing you will automatically think is, oh, you're into rap, you like this? No, I mean, I know it's a question. Like, I know a lot of you saying, it's just a question, man. Chill. Just, don't get upset. But it's just crazy because, like, people will think that, you're automatically into that type of stuff. Like, like, I mean, I'm not going to go up to someone who's white and say, oh, man, dude, are you into rock or, do you like this and that? No, I'm not going to do that. Like, if I'm in a conversation and they tell me that they're into that, I'm like, okay, cool, I'm into that too. But I'm not going to be so quick to just judge someone just when I first meet them. And, like, see, once again, it's a problem with society. Like, society, and it's mainly with the media too, like, they'll automatically put us in one category. Like, they'll say, like, oh, because you're into this and that, but because you're into anime, I'm not going to associate with you because you're into that and you're not into anything else. Like, and I even hear people talk behind people's backs. Like, I remember I was talking to this one guy. He was talking to this guy who was in anime. He was like, oh, that's cool, that's cool. I like anime too. And then he went to talk to this other guy, like, right next to him. He was like, that guy over there is lame. I'm not cool with that guy. I'm like, come on, man. Like, are you serious? Like, just because he's into anime, you even said you were, so technically you're lying about yourself or your friend or something like that. And you tell this guy that the dude's lame. I mean, come on, like, be yourself. Like, that's one thing that I can appreciate about myself. Like, even in high school, like, I was like the popular kid and everything. And I mean, I was cool with everybody. Like, everybody I was cool with. Like, I was cool with, I mean, I don't want to put labels on it, but, I was cool with everybody. The kids who were into anime, the kids who were some of the gothic kids, the kids who were the quote-unquote fresh kids, everybody I was cool. The gamer kids, I was cool with everyone. Like, and that's the problem. Like, instead of us, like, kind of trying to shy away from those type of people, or not hanging out with those type of people, we need to kind of mix and, gather together and learn from each other. Like, you could learn some things about the guys in the anime just like you could from guys who like to go to the club every week, you know. But you just have to give those type of people a chance, because if you don't, you're going to be stuck in this one area. Like, you're going to be stuck, you're going to think within this one perspective. And that's the reason why I'm glad that not only I started hanging out with those type of people, but other people too. Like, you can learn so much. Like, if you just stay closed in your one area, like you hang out with one type of people, you're never going to learn anything. Like, you're just going to be stuck in just one area, and that's just a good example of this. Is like, let's say, you have somebody who's, you know, stuck in the rap, like he just likes rap music, like he likes, just rap artists like Lil Wayne, but then he has another friend who came up to him and he says, hey man, do you want to learn about 3 Days Grace or, Breaking Benjamin and stuff, excuse me, stuff like that, and he's like, no, I don't really like that type of stuff, and the other kid, he walks away, and the other kid's just enclosed in his one little circle of rap music. Now, that's cool, but this guy could go his whole life and not learn about different stuff, like different music and stuff like that. And it's so cool to be well balanced. Like, it's nothing like, meeting people who are into different stuff. Like, I remember when I first heard techno, I was like, whoa, techno, this is kind of weird, I don't know what's going on. And, later on, I started really enjoying it. I like techno. I listen to a whole bunch of techno artists, stuff like that. And now I transition to dubstep. I'm in a dubstep. And same thing with screamo music, like screamo or emo music they call it. I never liked it at first, but when I started listening to scaring kids, it really started to dawn on me like, this stuff is cool. I love this stuff, and I'm really gonna enjoy it. And with, like I said, man, we just gotta start broadening our horizon. Like, we've been doing better. Like, I see a lot of people doing it, but I still see a lot of people on that ignorant stuff, man. Like, they're still saying like, oh, man, I don't want to talk to those guys. Those guys are lame. They're into this and that, blah 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 blah. And like I said, the reason why this problem is occurring is because of, one, the media, and two, just dumb people, man. Just dumb people. So without further ado, man, I'm not gonna make this video too long. This is a societal discussion about how society views us. So go ahead and leave your comments in the video below. And like I said, guys, if you want to see anime-related videos, go to my new Anime Informer, subscribe, and this is going to be strictly societal discussions. So go ahead and leave your comments on the video, rate the video, and subscribe. And I'll check you guys later in another video. Peace.